Welcome to Eli's Gaming Channel, and this is me, Eli. So let's make some slime.
And this is your friend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My name is Demi.
This is Demi, Eli, and Daddy. Daddy Travis. Eli's daddy. Okay. All right. Today we're making slime. So we got our little measuring cup. We're gonna put 15 milliliters of glue. Where's the glue? Here we go. Okay. So, you want to do the glue? All right. Demi's gonna put 15 milliliters of glue, which is right there.
I'm gonna try it. Now I gotta pour it.
Yeah, you can pour it, and then I'll scrape it. How about that?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yep. You're gonna pour it, and then I'm gonna scrape the last drops from it.
I think that's it. That we're still not there. I'm almost there. There we go.
All right, perfect.
Maybe right now.
Good job. Okay, now let's pour it in. And try not to shake it too much. You don't want it outside the bowl. You want everything inside. Okay, that looks good. Let Daddy scrape it.
It looks disgusting.
Scrapey, scrapey.
It looks disgusting, doesn't it?
Can
I put it in the black?
Slimy, yes. But we need to put water first, I think. If I remember right, we'll put the water in there. And then we'll put the black chalk paint in there.
Okay. Can I do it?
Well, Demi's gonna I think Demi will pour the water. She's probably a little more
Careful.
That's a good word.
Probably like smell like so like
We got all of that.
it's gonna be like exploding.
Okay. Water.
I tried my best.
Hey, that's all you can do, man. That's all you can do, right?
Try your best and have fun.
Exactly. Remember that, Ela. Try your best and have fun.
Just try it one time. I'll be really good.
How about Demi pours it in here and then you pour it in the bowl? Deal?
No.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
So you're gonna want 20. Do you see a 20 there?
No.
Maybe on the other side? Do you see a 20 there?
Yeah.
Okay, so fill it up to 20.
Okay. Can you grab the cup?
Yeah, here, I'll make it level. Okay,
I'm really wonderful.
perfect.
Oh, wait, what?
There we go.
Perfect.
What?
Okay, Eli, you're gonna pour it in here. Be very careful. You want all the water in here.
Okay,
Good job, good job. Okay, so we're gonna put this black paint in here and then we're gonna mix it, okay? So
I'm gonna mix it.
you're gonna mix it? Okay, so Demi's gonna scrape all of it into here and then you'll mix it once it's in there, okay?
Can we both mix it?
Mm-hmm, yeah, sure.
No.
Yeah, you should both mix it. Okay, how about let me put it in there and then you both mix it, okay? Let me do that.
Is it kind of hard?
No, it's pretty wet and gooey, so that's good.
It looks dry.
It's not as dry as the other one, so hopefully it'll work. Here.
I'm gonna agitate it. Now what are we gonna mix now?
That's in there. Let's try to get the last little bit.
I do my agitates. You look pretty good in the show, Demi. I'm sorry, show do.
Okay, you guys try to mix that in there. See, be very careful. Okay,
I'm gonna
Eli?
do that. I need to get this one up. Agitate, agitate. Woo! Oh, it's like dark now.
Yeah.
It's dark.
I think this might actually work. Do you guys know any jokes you can tell in the meantime?
Let me try.
Do you know a good joke?
Yeah.
Do you know a good joke?
When does this chicken cross the road? It died when the car got into.
Oh, poor chicken! Oh my goodness!
Tell me a joke.
Oh.
How about a riddle? Yeah.
Okay.
How about a riddle?
What's a good riddle?
Tell me it. No, you tell
No,
me.
I think she's gonna say a riddle.
I'm gonna say
How
riddle.
many berries will you eat?
How many? Wait.
Berries will you eat?
How many berries while we eat?
No, how many berries will you eat?
Oh, how many berries will I eat?
Will you?
All of them. I love berries.
I'll eat 3.
Wrong guess. It was 5.
5? Yeah.
Oh, what?
How do you know?
Alright, let me tell you a riddle, Demi.
No riddles. I'm not good at it. Please no.
Hey, so
You gotta do it.
what animal always shows up at a baseball game?
A bear?
A bat.
That is not an ant.
Alright. Let me tell you a riddle.
No. I'm not good at riddles. Please, no.
Are we almost done?
I think so. What do you guys think?
Are we almost done?
Okay, let's take a vote. Is this done? Raise your hand if you feel like it's done.
I'm raising it.
Okay, raise your hand if you feel like it's not done. 2 to 1. I lost. Okay, it's done. All right. Democracy rules. Good old measuring cup. Slime activator. Okay. Demi's gonna measure it. You're gonna pour it. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna pour it in.
Okay. So that first line down there. Do you see it? 5. A 5. That first line. Okay. So you're just gonna pour a little bit of the slime activator.
Only 5? Only
Yeah, it just
5?
says 5 milliliters. Yeah.
Is that the agitator?
The activator.
The activator.
Mm-hmm.
I think-
Okay, perfect, Eli. You want to pour it in? Pour it in the bowl. Pour it in the bowl. Okay.
There you go.
Can I
All
scrape
right.
it?
Huh?
Can I scrape it?
It doesn't need to be scraped. It's pretty liquid. So,
Yeah, it's liquid.
Yeah.
If it was hard, then you have to scrape.
yeah.
I just gotta do this.
Okay, Eli.
Oh, it looks like slime.
Okay. Put it in your hand and you're gonna, like,
It's slime?
How about
yeah.
me?
Okay.
Is it
Alright.
slime?
Yeah, it's slime. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in your hand and massage it, like just massage it, like this. Massage it. That way it gets more slimy.
Can you drop in my hand?
Okay, let Demi massage it first, then she'll give it to you after she massages it a little.
Wait,
okay?
what?
Let's see, what's this gonna be?
Is it gooey?
Yeah, it's cold.
You don't like it?
And now how?
Just-
Massage it like this.
Ooh, that's cold.
Massage it like this, Demi.
It's
Oh,
oh my god. This is terrible. Okay, Eli, you have some.
alright, give me it. Give me it.
Maybe it needed more.
It's gooey. It's so gooey. Oh, it's gooey.
Yeah, this is a.
It's very gooey.
I think maybe it needed more activator.
Whoa.
I don't think these instructions are good.
Whoa, this is so cool.
It needed more activator.
Look at this.
Wow.
It's like a pig.
Wow.
Try this, Demi. Demi. Whoa.
What do you guys think? Is this like good slime or okay slime?
Good slime.
Good slime?
Oh, it's so cool.
Cool.
Hands are all dirty.
Oh,
Wait,
wow.
there's some on your arm.
It is kind of slimy.
It's dripping. Oh my god, look at my hands, guys. Whoa, they look so sticky.
I'm gonna make mine all black. I'm gonna try to make my hands black.
I'm gonna try to make my arms black like a werewolf. Oh, it got in my shirt.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This is.
Look at me. Look at me so far.
Oh my god, that is a mess. That is not good, Eli. Eli, that's not good. It's only supposed to go in your hand.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell your mother.
Ah, it's so sticky.
Getting all over me.
It's getting all over.
Us.
Why are you dripping in my hand? You're dripping in my other.
Oh my god. I
It's
dropped
okay, Eli. It's okay.
Oh my
It's
god.
slime. You got your hands are all black anyways. Don't matter.
Also my arms.
Mm-hmm.
My arms are black. Also your arms are black too, like mine.
Okay, make sure.
It's
Okay, I'm done with this.
Yeah.
it's so gooey.
I'm done with this.
Okay, Eli, are you done with it too?
This is disgusting.
It is kind of
Yeah.
disgusting, right? It's not as slimy as I thought it would be.
Slime is not the stickiest.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's watch it. That's our video for today. The slime didn't come out as good as we wanted it to.
Oh my